Wow, do you believe that this song was done with AI? Listen.
The check on, make it check on.
Wow. Now, this other one. All done with AI. Listen again. Listen.
Now, the check on.
Wow. Hear the sound, so real. So real. Okay. Do you believe text to speech will never be the same again? Text to speech music generation, that's what I'm saying, because there's this new app that will write everything we thought we knew about AI music generation. Now, for most creators, making quality music takes a lot of time, skill, and expensive softwares, or even paying producers. And even with AI tools, the result often sound generic, robotic, or nothing like what you imagine. That's where this app, MusicCreator.AI, comes in. In turn, simpleton text prompt into rich, accurate, quality music, matching your mood, genre, pace, and style without needing any music background. All you have to do is to type what you want. Example, an Afrofusion beat with one vocal, and MusicCreator.AI instantly generates unique track you can use for a video, podcast, personal project. All tracks are 100% royalty free. And let's head down to our screen.
Right here, this is the homepage of MusicCreator.AI. You can see making it easier to be a music creator. Look at this is the search bar where you can search and create music up to 8 minutes, 100% royalty free. And you can see all kind of where you can generate unique music with MusicCreator.AI. You can discover amazing music created by MusicAI. Look at some music that has been created by MusicAI. You can see the create now. You can see music is not only about playing instruments, it's about finding simple and fun way to express yourself on MusicCreator. You can choose it for many different AI generator to make music. So some start with words, some start with photos, and let's change the play, voice, and play notes. No matter your level skill, there is always a way to create a song. You can turn text to music, transform your written thought into captivating music, effortlessly create music that perfectly aligns with your own genre, mood, and AI vocal. You can unleash inner composer without needing instrumental music. As just your imagination, and boom, you can see it is 100% royalty free. Use your music anywhere, all tracks 100% royalty free. Generating seconds, lyrics to music, easy for anyone. So just sign up on the site, and it will take you down to the dashboard of MusicCreator.AI. So this is the MusicCreator.AI website, the dashboard. Once you're there, so let's type a prompt that will just give us a music. Let's say Afrobeat rhythm. Then you can also put the genre, the mood. You can put the mood. Let's say joyous. You can put instrumental. Let's say flute, guitar. You can put the ambience. Okay, ambience being. Let's say vocal gender. Let's say male vocal. With this, let's generate a song right now. This will give us a song. Let's see.
A few moments later.
And this is the song it gives us. It gives us a random song, and from my prompt I typed and I put one. So let's play it. Let's see. It gives us two songs. It gives us
drop the needle, hear the crackle. Flew so sweet, guitar to tackle. Sun on my face, dust in the light, dancing.
Let's listen to the second track it gives us. Let's listen to a bit of the second track.
Sunrise kissing my weary face.
So it gives us a good song, but the song is just a random song. So let's go for instrumental only, which you can use like your soundtrack. Let's say a cinematic suspense, or let me say genre, say mood, aggressive instruments, flute. Let's see. This is instrumental only. This will generate only instrumental for us.
A few minutes later.
Okay, here is it. So let's sample it. Let's see. This is the type you use for your background music, for your content. Wow. That's nice. Okay. Let's play the second soundtrack. Only about it good. Nice. So let's try the lyric. Let's put in our own lyric. Let's say our own lyric. So let me music title. For me, I'm putting my lyric. I have my lyric somewhere. Let me put my lyric. Let me see how it will give me the perfect touch. My lyric is, I made this lyric myself. Let me see. Mood. Let me see. Afro is Nigerian singer. Agenda. Male. Ambience. I think I need this mood. Emotional. So let's generate this one with our lyric. Let me see what it will give me.
A few inches later.
Okay, this is the first one. Let's see. Let's play it.
Afro beat, up in deep. Afro soul, Mali singer, rapper. Oh. Now they check 'em, make it check 'em. Yeah. I'm on my people, well I've done that we dey find them. Now who carry 'em go where we go? Oh, Mr. Love, come back to our lives, cause we need you now. But I keep singing to the world, open.
See, I gave it a kind of lyric which has Nigerian vibe, Nigerian pidgin lingo in it. Let me play the second one.
Afro me, you think to Afro soul. Mali singer, rapper. No, you check 'em, make you check 'em. Yeah, all my people well love don't jack up go. We dey find that. Now who carry 'em go where we no know.
It's very nice.
Mr. Love come back.
Very nice. You can see what you can see the output. Okay, so now let's explore some other side of the platform. There's the AI lyric generator. Let's see how that one goes. Maybe with this side you are able to input your music title, let's say dance for me, and put your lyrics and generate lyrics for free. So this is the AI lyric generator. That is where here is what is designed for. That is the AI vocal remover. You can upload your audio here and remove the vocal entirely. You can see, and there's the AI stem splitter. You can upload your audio file here and get the stem out. Of course, you know what stem is. For those of you that know what stem, those of you that are into music production, you know what stem is. This can split out stem out from an audio for you to use. It will take to a studio, the producer to produce properly. If you want to put some touch, maybe audio. And the AI singing voice generator. Oh, okay. Let's
I'm Billie Eilish. People are always trying to define me, but the only thing that defines me is my music.
Wow.
What's up? It's Justin Bieber. Yeah, that.
The name's Plankton. Yes, I'm.
Very funny. Okay. This is AI singing voice generator. That is, you can drop your audio here. You can use this. I'm sure you can choose any voice from here. Or you can drop your audio and use it to make music. You can drop your voice here and use it to make music. Let me say AI sing cover generator. You can create your own model here and drop your audio here. So the platform is very wide for you to explore and see so many things it can do for you. There's AI music mastering. With this, you can master your audio and make it to make the output to be very good, to be very heavy. This is AI music mastering. There's AI media editor over here. Inside these are for producers, those that know how to produce. Okay, you can edit the music here. There's AI audio to MIDI editor. You can upload your file and it takes you to the MIDI. AI audio to MIDI, and you can upload your file, you can take it to MIDI. Key and BPM finder. You can upload music and look for the key and BPM finder. There's BPM chopper. You can upload. Let me see what chopper is it. Okay, with this you can know the BPM of a song, and that's it. So let's head to the pricing. This is where this is the free version. You can have 2 songs a month. You can generate 2 songs a month, 1 music generator a month, 1 task concurrently. You can only do 1 task on AI music generator. With this free, you're able to do some things well, but it pays well when you pay for it. That's the starter pack, 10.59. You can see all the benefits. This is a copy pack. And you can go for monthly. You can see you want to go for monthly, but if you want to go for yearly, it is way cheaper. So it's MusicCreator.AI. You are making it easy to be a music creator. So the link is in the bio for you to sign up.
Anyway, if you are ready to turn your ideas into studio quality music because a free world, Music Creator is the tool you need. So click the link in the description to try it yourself and start creating tracks that sound like they came straight from the professional producer. Do not wait. Your next masterpiece is 1 prompt away. Do this and you create professional sound music in minutes instead of hours. No instrumental, no editing, no stress. Make sure you subscribe and like and hit the bell notification of the channel. See you on the next one.